Description: Ultimate Color Care Conditioner helps repair damaged and fragile hair and prepare hair for styling. Benefits: improves strength and reduces breakage with mineral-rich biostrengtheners and a rejuvenating blend of Algasilk. Suggested use: cleanse with Aquage Strengthening Shampoo as directed. Exclusive AlgaePlex Marine Botanicals. Aquage products are invigorated with AlgaePlex Marine Botanicals to help nurture, strengthen and protect hair. Aquage AlgaePlex is a power-packed potion of innovative results-oriented marine botanicals. The marine botanicals in AlgaePlex are gently harvested from coastal waters around the globe. These marine botanicals combine the healing, nutritive powers of 8 different organic seaweeds and algae. They are put through an extraction process to obtain the maximum concentration of actives, which are rich sources of proteins, amino acids, carbohydrates, and vitamins. Delivering the best of sea and science. Top reviews from the United States. My hair is getting thicker. I have been using the conditioner with the shampoo. I definitely have less hair falling out. Very pleased with this product.